Please welcome Nicole Kidman. I hate to put you on the spot.
To put somebody on the spot, to cause somebody embarrassment or difficulty by forcing them at that moment to answer a difficult question or make an important decision.
But there are a couple of your country people here tonight. But there are a couple of,
two things or a few things.
and they
That's
really,
who's making all the noise.
they would love to see a celebrity's home.
Celebrity, a famous person, especially in entertainment or sport.
Can they come to your house tonight?
Absolutely.
Oh, that's great. You see that? Done. Deal. There you go.
There you go. This is what you wanted. It is used to express confirmation, triumph, or resignation.
I mean, as an actor, I think, and I love the mystery of acting.
Mystery, something strange or unknown which has not yet been explained or understood.
So I love whatever it takes to create a performance, sort of should be kept secret. I know that's very old school.
Old school. The old school is any group of people who are traditionalists. They do things the way they have been done in the past. Old school means something close to old-fashioned, but it is a term with more pride behind it.
I still kind of
I see.
try to, yeah. So that is a woman who's been damaged, deeply damaged.
Right.
Has been an addict most of her life, is trying to atone.
Atone. To do something that shows you are sorry for something bad that you did or for something that you failed to do.
For a lot of the bad mistakes that she's made, and that's the wreckage of her in terms of on her body and her face, but also wreckage of her.
Wreckage, a situation in which something has been badly damaged or destroyed.
In terms of on her body and her face.
In terms of, used to describe which particular area of a subject you are discussing.
On her psyche.
Psyche, the mind or the deepest thoughts, feelings, or beliefs of a person or group.
I mean, it's obviously a noir thriller,
Noir, a type of movie usually filmed in a city that shows the world as an unhappy, violent place in which many unpleasant people live, or a film of this type.
I see.
So that's the template for the film.
Template, a method or system that can be copied and used by others.
I'm not good. I lied. I stole. And worse.
I was trudging.
Trudging, to walk slowly with a lot of effort, especially over a difficult surface or while carrying something heavy.
I have a particular walk in it where I really look dangerous, actually.
Is it more fun to play a character, Aquaman's Aquamom, if you will? That's got to be more fun, right?
What could be greater than a king?
A hero. A king fights only for his nation. You fight for everyone.
Please do not say Aquaman.
Too late, it already happened.
I'm done.
I'm done, give up on something, had enough, quit, tired of continuing to do something, and will stop or finished.
You don't want to be Aquamom?
I birthed him, so hey,
Yes, that's right.
I'll take it.
Yes.
What was the question?
I don't remember. It doesn't matter. Where will you spend Christmas? What's the plan?
No, it was a good question. Go
The question
back to it.
was,
What
I was talking about like the difference in playing this very kind of heavy role and then playing, you know, a half fish man's.
I
mother.
like the.
Yeah.
I like the balance.
You do.
Yeah.
You like to do them both.
Wow, it's a fantastic opportunity to be able to put your toe in the water.
To put one's toe in the water. to start slowly and carefully doing something that one has not done before because they are not sure if they will like it or if it will be successful.
Obviously, I'm an actor, so my love and my passion is complicated, great roles.
Right, right.
Obviously, I'm an actor, so my love and my passion.
Passion, something that you're strongly interested in and enjoy.
Complicated.
Complicated, involving a lot of different parts in a way that is difficult to understand.
Started as a little show on BBC Two in the UK, and then because it had no advertising budget, and the BBC don't generally advertise, so it was word of mouth, you know.
Word of mouth, the process of telling people you know about a particular product or service